In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can stop computer from locking Windows 11 automatically. So let's get started. Click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, click on accounts. Then you have to click on sign in options. Scroll down and you'll find dynamic lock. Click on that. Make sure that this option allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you're away is unchecked. Okay? Unchecked or do not check this option allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you're away. And then close this and type screen. Okay, you will find torrent screensaver on or off. Then here you have to for the screensaver, if you are in this current screensaver, simply choose any other screensaver type from here, okay? Simply choose any other screensaver type, apply and then okay. And then restart your Windows once, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.